What's good, Primetime fam? We up early in the AM today. Man, it is 8 o'clock in the morning. About to go get the first oil change in the Hellcat, man. She creeping up on 500 miles. So the dealer, they recommended me to get an oil change at the first 500 miles just because they say metal shape is getting inside the oil. Don't know how true that is, but hey, I love taking care of my vehicle and want to make sure she's in the best shape, especially when I'm punching on the highway. So we about to go get our first oil change. First off, I'm about to go get some Lord's chicken because I'm hungry. We about to hit Chick-fil-A and then ride over to Jerry-On, check out some whips on the showroom. And yeah, man, get some pulls after this oil change, man. I can finally punch her. You know what I'm saying? I've been driving like a granny for the past week and a half now. I don't really put too many miles on her, man. She really just stay in the garage. But yeah, man. Let's go ahead and get this video going, bro. All right, y'all. We are pulling up at the dealer. And thank God the line is not long today, because usually it's out in the street. Man, I gotta be sure I tell them too, do not roll these windows down, because I just got them tinted. So please do not roll these windows down. Cause I know people in service tend to roll the windows down, man, so don't do it to me, y'all. The cat getting the oil change. It's first oil change, man. We out here in Tampa. It's a beautiful day out here today, bro. Oh my God. If anybody knows, Florida lives up to its name, man. It is definitely the Sunshine State, bro. Definitely the Sunshine State. Let's go ahead and take a look at some cars, bro, while we wait. Oh my goodness. It's a demon. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. I love the Challenger, period. Only reason why I ain't get a Challenger, because of the blind spots, man. I'm short as hell, and the blind spots in this thing are crazy. But bro, this demon, I love that color. Man, this thing is insane. Oh my goodness, look at this. This thing is insane, bro. Sheesh. Okay. She all done. Man. Yes, sir. My boy Ali from Jerry-On filling me up. Yes, sir. Y'all go see him, man, if y'all want a good deal, bro. Listen, that's the man to see, bro. Right there, Ali at Jerry-On. Oh, man. So, yeah, bro. She about to be at 500 miles. Just got an oil change. About to go ahead and break her in, man. We're at 500 miles. Let's go. Better yet, we can't go nowhere. Not right now. But stay tuned. Be back shortly.
A few moments later.
Here we go. All right, Infinity, let's get it. Ooh, oh my God. Oh my goodness. Bye. Oh my God. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Yes, excellent.
Woo! Okay. Big Daddy Cat. Not sorry, Infinity. Not sorry. Q50S. Not sorry. Oh my God. Woo! Fast. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Woo. Sheesh. The cat. Oh my goodness. Woo. Well, alright, fam. I've been waiting on this for about a week and a half now, so I'm happy, man. Oh my goodness, the cat is insane. It's a beast. The cat is a beast. Ugh. Woo. Woo. and subscribe, y'all. We got more content coming. Hey, I'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Let's go. Hey, hold up. I had to cut it back. And for the Infiniti Q50S, stop playing with this cat, bro. Oh my God, stop playing with this cat, dog. You ain't in this bracket. What Meek say? It's levels to this shit. You not in this bracket yet, my dog. I don't care. Y'all can be in the comments say, oh, with a tune and with boost, it'll blow that cat. Look, we talking stock. We talking stock. We not talking boosting and all that other extra shit y'all be doing. We talking off the lot stock. Woo! Why wasn't I still filming when the Q50 rolled up on me? Dude said his partner got one of these. He said, I was like, bro, I just opened it up. Like, I just opened it up. He was like, oh yeah, 600 horsepower. I'm like, 600? Where? I know 600 horsepower and not even the first Hellcat. 717. Stop playing with this cat. Woo! Woo! Hey. Oh my God. Hey. I'm blessed, man. Listen, I'm glad y'all got to be a part of this. Y'all got to be a part of this experience, man. Hey, I'm happy, bro. Listen, it's all glory to God, all positivity, man. Keep them negative comments to yourselves, bro. I'm living my life, man. I'm living my life, bro. Straight up. And, hey, whew. Until next time.